Well, listen, we want to congratulate you on Barack Obama, our new president, and you must be very proud.
We are.
Yes.
We really are. We're also proud of the U.S. For having made history as well.
Hey, one more quick question. Our President-elect Obama's birthplace over in Kenya, is that going to be a national spot to go visit where he was born?
It's already an attraction.
Okay.
His paternal grandmother is still alive, and
but his birthplace, they'll put up a marker there.
It will depend on the government. It's already well known as a date.
Yeah. You know, thank you, Your Excellency, for your time.
Well, thank you so very much, guys, for your excitement and for congratulating us.
Absolutely. Well, thank you very much. You have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Did you catch that?
Not a lot of it.
Mike, he basically admitted that President-elect Obama was born there.
Yes, he did.
That's what I was asking him. Remember the controversy about
I do, about Hawaii and whether he naturalized or not, or what happened.
I mean, that's a fact.
I know you're gonna have to replay it because I didn't.
I asked him if there was going to be a marker for where he was
the fact
born.
that he was born there.
And I said President-elect, not to confuse with his dad, and he said absolutely. There's already plans.
Right. So there you go. So that means we're gonna have to remove his. We're gonna have
His excellency.
We have to undo it.
I'm not going to argue with His Excellency. If he
wouldn't.
If he says
It's
President-elect
disrespectful.
Obama was born in Kenya, he was born in Kenya.
It's disrespectful to argue with him.
Well, if it's a 51st state, then it turns out it's okay. Then
Why didn't Hillary get involved in
Look
this?
how easy it was for us to find out.
Yeah, we're just a little radio station calling up, and we exposed the whole damn thing. You had that big, powerful entity, the Clintons, and then McCain, and nobody figured this out.
That means that birth certificate they put online is fake?
Yep, which we assumed all along. They're burying the truth.
Except Lieutenant President Peter Obamba, whatever his name is.
Ogeko. And he's His Excellency.
His Excellency Peter Ogeko just admitted it.
Yeah, His Excellency. Not so excellent.
No.
Not so excellent to make a mistake like that. He could be downgraded to his sort of okay instead of His Excellency. He's sort of okay.
Yeah, but then
his all rightness.
Yeah,
does that
his sort of okay, maybe kind of sort of Peter Ogeso.
Not Ogeko.
Not Excellency. No, it's Ogeko.
Yeah. But so does that mean that you got to make John McCain the president by default? But then he was born.
No, that means we got to start all over again.
He was born in Panama, though.
On a military.
No,
at least it was a theme song from Van Halen, but.
No, the Panama thing, that's been dealt with.
I know, but it's the same. Because
why is it the same?
That was not the United States, mainland U.S.
It was a military base.
Right.
Mainland U.S.
It's not the same at all.
It absolutely is.
Hey, I don't make the rules.
Yeah, it's just the way it is. We also have in our pursuit of checking things around the world in the reaction to our new President Obama.